In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shape in Capcut. If you want a clean circular face highlight, a sleek rectangle crop, or a creative cutout to frame part of your scene, Capcut makes it straightforward using its built-in mask tool. Start by opening Capcut on your computer or mobile device. Give it a moment to load to the main workspace so you can see the timeline at the bottom and the preview in the center. If Capcut asks for an aspect ratio, pick the one that matches your project, like 16.9 for landscape or 9:16 for vertical. You can change this later if needed, but choosing it now helps you visualize your layout from the start. Next, add your video to the project. Click to import your footage or drag it straight into the media area, then place it onto the timeline. If the clip doesn't fill the frame perfectly, use the Fit or Fill options, or scale it slightly so your subject sits where you want it in the preview. It's a good idea to scrub a few seconds along the timeline to make sure you're masking the right moment in your clip. With your clip selected on the timeline, open the Mask controls. On desktop, you'll find Mask in the Video or Basic Editing panel. On mobile, select the clip, then look for Mask in the toolbar. When you click into it, the preview will display handles and guides so you can see what you're about to shape. Now choose a shape. Capcut offers options like circle, rectangle, heart, star, and split-style masks. Pick the one that matches your design idea. Once it's applied, grab the on-screen handles to resize the shape, drag it to reposition, and rotate it for the best angle. If the edges look too harsh, increase the feather to soften the border and blend it naturally into the background. If you want the opposite effect, showing everything outside the shape instead of inside, use the Invert toggle. This is great for spotlighting your subject while dimming or cropping the surrounding area. Take a moment to fine-tune. Zoom the preview for precision, align the shape to key elements in your frame, and adjust feathering until it feels intentional rather than obvious. If you're masking a face or product, center the shape and check that it still looks right a few seconds later. And that's it. You opened Capcut, added your video, clicked Mask, and chose a shape, then refined it with position, rotation, feathering, and invert. Practice with different shapes to see what fits your style, and you'll be adding polished, eye-catching cutouts in no time.